This is a poem that came out of a play I was commissioned to write for Theatr Taliesin Wales and the people of South Cardiff back in 1989, and I was playwright in residence there. And the communities around Cardiff came together to create this wonderful play in many languages, in 5 languages in fact, mostly in English and Welsh. And it's about the story of Madog in America and a certain John Evans who went out in search of the Mandan Indians. Chwaeroliaeth, brawdoliaeth. Nid y Cymru trwy waed neu wewyr yw fy Nghymru i. Nid y fo afreintiodd o fro Gymraeg mor dynesydd a ddaw yn nes at ai. Ond y sawl sy'n cymryd mae Cymraes yw. Dior mae hi thir hi yw. Di feddwl am eiddo, a'i meddiant yw'r etifeddiaeth sy'n rhad a rhydd. Gall fod yn orthrymedig ddi, yn Indiad o genhedliad, Methodist neu anffyddiwr, Hindw neu Fwslem. Cyd Gymru, sy'n cyd-garu, cyd-wladwyr, cyd cydio, law yn llaw, cario, cariad a chir dros fôr a dros ffyr. Fel arall, does dim cenedl. Dim anadl i ddal drwy'r nos wyllt, dim mwg oerfel allan o'i gennau ar ddwyrnod crensiog o eiaf. Dim anadl chwys mewn haf crosboeth. Dim anadl ifanc i redeg yn heini a hi. Dim anadl dofn iasol, mam yn geni. Dim anadl araf freuddwydiwr ar lwyfandir ei ddychymyg. Sisterhood, brotherhood. Not Welsh through blood or birth pangs am I Welsh. Not he who, privileged from a Welsh neighbourhood, is the citizen who comes nearest to me, but the one who assumes that she is Welsh, without doubt that it is her land, without thought of possessions, and her ownership is the heritage that is without cost and free. She may be black oppressed, Indian by conception, Methodist or atheist, Hindu or Muslim. Fellow Welsh who co-love together, holding hand in hand, love and pain are the roots of the land. Otherwise, there is no nation, not the breath to endure through the wild nights, no stream of coldness from mouths on a crunchy winter's day. No breath with which to run lithely, no breath deep stirring of a mother giving birth, no breath slow taken of a dreamer on the stage of her imagination.